of the horizontal line. Let's say you want to call this Marvel. Hello guys and welcome to AI plus more. In this video I'll be showing you how you can create a folder on Arc browser. So we've had a few other videos on Arc browser before, and one thing about Arc browser is its amazing new features and different user interface that is not found in previous browsers that we use, such as Chrome, Opera, or Mozilla Firefox. And one big thing that Arc browser has really upgraded on is our bookmarks. And what I'm talking about are these things here on the left side of your screen. These are bookmarks, or what they would call it as pen tabs. And what I'm going to try to show you today is how you can create the folders here. So here in pen tabs, you can create folders where you can try and organize your pen tabs or your bookmarks to make it much easier to find what kind of tab or which tab you're searching for. I want to create a new folder. This one is something I created, but you can just delete that. So let's say I want to create a new folder filled with videos all about Marvel movies. So I can just go ahead and right click anywhere here and just click on new folder. And where it will be created is on the pen tab section, which is above the horizontal line. So let's say you want to call this Marvel related content. So it could be anything that you want. It can be anything from YouTube, from Google, whatever you want it to be. Let's say we want to go to Google or YouTube, and let's find something like a Marvel video that we really want to watch again and again, or we don't have time to watch it once or finish the entire video, so we're gonna check it later on. Let's say the new Deadpool and Wolverine trailer here. We want to save this. What you just need to do is just drag this onto your folder on top, and there you go. That is how you can create folders on Arc browser, folders for pen tabs on Arc browser on your desktop. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.